Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of The Farming Chefs. Today we are spending some time in the kitchen. The rest of the team is on the farm and I will be sharing my favorite trick with you, which is how to caramelize onions fast and easy. This lot was going off, so it was really time to use them. We've got loads of fresh onions growing on the farm, which will be ready for harvest in no time. So there is no better time than the present to get rid of this lot and turn them into a nice little soup. The way I slice my onion is as follows. First I slice it through the center, then I lay it down flat with the top side and the root side facing away from me. I place my knife on a diagonal and I bring it to the core, creating a half moon figure. And I just continue that until I go slightly over half. Then I turn my onion over and continue. Last one. And voila. Place these all in my bowl. And now we're gonna move this party over to the stove. I'm just going to add a bit of olive oil into this pan. And then into there I'm going to add my onions. I'll swirl these around just a little bit. So this is immediately where now the tip comes in. I have a bit of water that I'm going to introduce into the onions, and that is actually going to help the whole thing steam up. All the onions will release their juices, which will make for an even caramelization later on. I don't have a lid for this specific pan, so I have a similar pan that I'm just going to place on top. Adding the water into the pan like this actually makes sure that all the onions will steam and cook at the same time, meaning that they will release their juices and they will be browning evenly later on. Because what tends to happen is that the bottom part of your layer of onions will start browning, even though the top part of your onions are actually still raw or not cooked through enough to start their caramelization process. 10 minutes or so in, your onion should be looking like this. Translucent, nice and steamy. And now you're going to take the lid off to just let the rest of that water evaporate. Trick number 2 is adding half a teaspoon of bicarb mixed with water into your onions once all the liquid has evaporated. What that will do is it will increase the Maillard effect, giving you an even better browning. Et voila! I think about 15 minutes it took me. I have this beautifully caramelized little bunch of onions, and now I'm going to turn it into a quick soup. Nice and dark, as you can see. And what I'm going to add in there now is just a little bit of salt. Quite a lot of cream. Ooh. There. And some water. 1 bay leaf. This doesn't need long because the onions have so much flavor. This is just really to heat the whole thing through. Give the bay leaf a minute or 5. Take out the bay leaf. Alright, and there we have it. This is one delicious soup I'm about to plate. It's very creamy, it's very rich, it's very thick. I love it, but I really love onion, so don't give this to somebody that doesn't love onion because they won't like it. I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper and drizzle it with a bit of olive oil. That was it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna eat this soup. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button or give us a thumbs up. It's very much appreciated. See you on the next one, The Farming Chefs. Peace out.